Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomo Adibanjo, and on my channel I talk about natural hair and everything in between. This video I'm going to be showing you how I put my hair in this super cute ponytail. So if this is something you'd like to see, then please keep watching. So the first thing I need to do is take down my cornrows, and that's what you see me doing here. Next, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail in the middle of my head, and I'm taking some Eco Styler gel just to smoothen out my edges and give me a sleek look. Then I'm going to brush it up, and using my shoelace, I'm going to secure my hair into as tight a ponytail as I can get it. Then I'm going to take the ends of my ponytail and secure it into 4 braids because my hair is really thick and I need my ponytail to be as small as possible. You know the drill by now, it's silk scarf time, so I'm going to wrap a silk scarf around the base of my hair just to smoothen it out. The hair that I'm going to be using for this look is the Darling Natural Bob. It's a synthetic hair with a flip at the end. I found this at a local market near me and I got it for 1,400 naira. I think it was a great price for this. So yeah, it has 2 bundles of hair, and I'm just going to unwrap one bundle and show you what it looks like. Now I'm taking both bundles of hair and I'm going to line them up side by side and secure them in a bit. What I'm going to be using to secure them is a comb. So I'm going to take both bundles, line them up side by side, and then sew the wig combs onto both ends of the bundles, which is what you see me doing here. I'm using black thread for this just so that, you know, everything looks really good. So now that I have sewn the combs onto both ends, I'm going to brush out the hair, and then we're back to my own hair. I'm taking the 4 braided sections that I have in my ponytail and securing them together with a band. Now applying this hair is really easy. You just need to stick one end of the comb into the base of your ponytail and then wrap the bundles around the base of your ponytail to cover up your own hair. And then when you get to the end, you're going to take the second comb and stick that into your ponytail as well. Take a small section and wrap it around the base of the ponytail for a seamless look, and that is it, guys. It's as simple as that. And that's it, guys. Styling your hair by yourself is really no big deal, honestly, and you save yourself some coins. I mean, I only spent 1,400 on this look, and I can reuse my ponytail as I wish. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Please, let's get me to 500 subscribers. I don't know if that's possible, but I guess we're going to find out. I'd like to get to 500 subscribers before my birthday. My birthday is in 2 weeks, so this is probably a stretch, but I don't know. I mean, yeah, we'll find out if I can do that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment if you like this hairstyle and if this is something you'd be willing to try. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.